Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change or adjust opacity in Capcut, both on PC and mobile. Let's get started! Part 1 is Capcut PC. Step 1. Open Capcut on your PC and load your project. Step 2. Click on the video, image or overlay you want to adjust. Step 3. On the right-hand panel, scroll down to find the opacity slider. Drag it left or right to make the clip more transparent or visible. For Part 2, which is Capcut Mobile, Step 1. Launch the Capcut app on your phone and open your project. Step 2. Tap on the clip you want to edit. Step 3. Scroll through the bottom menu and tap on Opacity. Now slide to adjust the transparency level as needed. And that's it! That's how easy it is to adjust opacity in Capcut PC and mobile. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more editing tips. See you next time!